Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to break in a baseball glove. This will be a full tutorial, so let's get right into the video. When you buy a brand new baseball glove, you have to break it in order for it to work properly. I'll be going over 5 simple things that you can do to break yours in. Let's get right into the video. The first thing that you can do is get a little bit of warm water on your fingertip. Place it in the center of the glove, just like that. A few dabs of warm water in the center of the glove, and just allow the thumb and the pinky, so your thumb portion and your pinky portion, the tips of those to touch. That will allow the glove to have a greater range of motion, and that's the first thing that you can do. The second thing that you can do is take the glove, okay, place it on the ground on flat concrete. Then you want to take a softball or a baseball. A softball's a bit better because it's a bit bigger. Or a baseball. And with the glove on the flat concrete on the ground, use the softball or baseball just to sort of press into the center like this. And the glove should be flat as possible on the ground. And just allow that ball to press into the center like that, okay? Using just a little bit of force. That's going to allow it to sort of wear into the leather a little bit, okay? The third thing that you can do is take a softball or a baseball, whatever you're mainly going to be playing with, but softballs work better because they're a bit bigger. Place it inside of the palm of the glove where you would regularly catch it, okay? Bring the thumb and the pinky together, take your hand out, and then wrap this with tape and leave it like that for a few hours. That's going to form the glove to fit around the ball. Leave it for, 2-3 hours. It doesn't need to be that long. Some people leave it overnight, but really in a couple of hours, you've already done more than enough. The fourth thing that you can do is just get a baseball or a softball, just play catch. Literally, find another person who wants to play with you and just play catch. One of the best ways to break in a baseball glove is to just use it. And I recommend that you do this so that you can use it before your game, before you actually need to perform with it. So just play catch. And if you don't have anyone to play catch with, then reach out to me. Maybe I could come play some catch. I'm just kidding. If you live in Toronto, hey, send me a message. No problem. We'll make it happen. Anyways, if you have no one to play catch with, then just go ahead and toss it to yourself like that. Spend a couple of hours doing this. Believe it or not, it will actually really break in the glove. And then the fifth thing that you can do is just wear it. So literally, like just around your house, just leave the glove on. You don't have to pick anything up with it, but just leave the glove on. Kind of work it a little bit like this. Keep going like this as much as you can, and it will break in. And once your glove has been broken in, it will work much better than when it's brand new. It's going to do what it is meant to do, which is catch baseballs or softballs. That's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.